Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I'm going to try to show you how to draw this. It's pretty easy, but I hope a mathematician will kind of chime in here. I'm going to draw I'm going to go 180-degree arc, and then I'm going to rotate it 270 degrees to get it to like this, because that's the way I can see it the best. I'm going to control D and make a duplicate, and then I'm going to move this over. And just for visual effects, I'm going to blend this. Even though we're not going to use the blend, I want to be able to see something. And I can see that if we now take, excuse me, I just wanted to see what the kind of the shape it was. Uh, Go up to object and break the blend apart, and then take this outer ring and turn it into a circle. And you see what I've done. I've eliminated uh, some arc, I guess. I don't have to right now, but I'm going to go ahead and delete these lines just to kind of give me a visual look to what it's going to look like. Then I'm going to take the 2-point line, and I'm going to go from there to there. Now I can delete this and these interior lines. Now you can kind of see I've got a little bit of a bump there, and we can fix that in just a second. So now I'm going to take my virtual segment delete key and just kind of delete the interior. I would go ahead and get rid of this bump at this time, but we need to fill it in with the Smart Fill tool first, so we can kind of, well, Smart Fill makes a new object. Then we'll move it over and left click, right click, and get rid of that bump. I'm just going to take the smoothing tool and just get rid of that node. Leave the other nodes fine. Now, this is where I hope a mathematician would sign in or chime in and tell me how you could do this mathematically. I need 3 of these. And then I'm going to rotate this one 120 degrees. I don't know that there's a way to rotate them 240 degrees, to rotate them and get them perfect. But you only have to do this one time. And if you will zoom in, see we're pretty close, but I'm going to set my nudge factor on pretty low, and I'm going to grab that one and I'm going to move it over, whoop, and down. Just kind of get it on that line. Doesn't have to be perfect. And then do the same thing with this one. And this time you're going to have 3 points to look at. So we're going to grab this one and move over and down. I think we're good to go. Now what is so good about this, we can take one of these and it's not going to leak, so I'm going to fill it in with blue, a light blue, and then I'm going to get the interactive fill tool, and I'm going to, doesn't matter what direction you go, I'm going to put a black on this end. I like that blue, so I'm going to take the blue and put it on this end. And then I can move this slide bar down and just have a little bit of black, and you could still, move this around and move this out till you get what you want. And now here's kind of the key. Because we've already got a form, I can hit the plus key, Control D to make a duplicate, rotate this one 120, rotate this one 140, and what I'm going to have, or 240, I've got something to snap to. So if we look and I grab the 4 point, it's going to snap right to that edge. I'd get that not as sharp a point. Now we can take away all the outlines so nothing can be seen. And that's pretty cool. Now, if you do see a white line there, very easily just give yourself a blue outline. And that white line will go away. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. And thank you for